Alright guys, so what we have here is a F250 Super Duty fully modified, straight out of Florida. This is my buddy's truck. He doesn't want to be in the video. This truck is for sale, guys. This truck is for sale. And she is a beauty. She is a beauty. She is a beauty. It's got a Commander tune, paint match mirrors, paint match bumper, LED lights, fully LED all around. See the suspension. It's dirt logic. Everything chrome here, guys. Even the dust covers are chrome. So we got some 26 on 37s here. Really nice, man. Really nice. Super clean. He just detailed it. Even the drive shaft is chrome. It's got 5-inch straight back exhaust. Custom lift. No rust, guys, at all. Not even a speck of rust on this thing. Not even a speck. Smoke tail lights. Looks like airbrush of some sort. Very nice. Very nice. The paint is really nice, guys. I love the chrome. I mean, this is like a kid in the candy store here, man. This is a kid in the candy store, guys. Don't let this truck pass you up. It's for sale. I'm thinking he's gonna want mid-40s, you know, but slightly negotiable. Got your lower ring step. Got the custom system here. Look at that. Got 3 subwoofers under the seat. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Makes you feel like a king driving this. Look how high up you are. Sunroof, fully loaded, leather down. Again, guys, one of a kind. This is art, pure art. It is for sale. It is for sale. Message me, drop a comment. I'll send you over my buddy's info. Location is Massachusetts, Western Mass. Yep, and he's a dealer. And yeah, reach out, guys. Don't let this baby pass you up.